Hello viewers, in today's class we are going to discuss one important integral, right? And here we have to find the value of this integral in which we have 0 to infinity and the integrand is t raised to 4 e raised to minus t, right? So in this class we'll try to find out the value of this integral using the concept of Laplace transform, right? So viewers, in this lecture, we'll see how we can apply the concept of Laplace transform to evaluate integrals of this type, right? So let us start. So let us take this integral as I, right? Now see here we have the variable t and the integrand is t raised to 4 e raised to minus t. So what we will do, let us write this integral as 0 to infinity and we have t raised to 4 and e raised to minus st, right? And here we have introduced this parameter s because we are going to use the concept of Laplace transform, right? So here we are writing as e raised to minus st. So when we take s is equal to 1, then this integral reduces to this one, right? So once we take the value of s is equal to 1, then we can readily get this integral, right? Okay, now let us rearrange these terms, right? So we can write 0 to infinity. Let us write here e raised to minus st and t raised to 4 dt, right? And now here we have this function t raised to 4. So let us take this function as f of t, right? So f of t is t raised to 4. So now we can write this integral as 0 to infinity e raised to minus st, and here we have f of t dt, right? So we have written f of t for t raised to 4, right? And now we can see that this is the definition of Laplace transform of f of t, right? Because see, we know that the Laplace transform of f of t is given by L of f of t, and this is given by the integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t and dt, right? So this is this integral is now the Laplace transform of f of t, right? So we have converted this integral into the Laplace transform of this function, that is t raised to 4. So now we have the Laplace transform of f of t, and f of t is t raised to 4, right? Okay, now we have to just find out the Laplace transform of t raised to 4. For this will use a standard result, that is the Laplace transform of t raised to n is given by factorial n divided by s raised to n plus 1, right? So this is a standard result from Laplace transforms, right? So here we see that we have t raised to 4, so the value of n is 4. So we have 4 factorial, this is n factorial, so we have 4 factorial divided by s raised to 4 plus 1, right? So 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and here we have s raised to 5, right? So this is 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 divided by s raised to 5, right? Now see, here we wish to find out the value of this integral. So what we will do, we'll again replace s by 1, right? So taking s is equal to 1, we get this integral, right? So 0 to infinity t raised to 4 e raised to minus t dt, and this is 24 divided by 1 raised to 5, right? So here we are replacing s by 1. So this is simply 24. 1 raised to 5 is 1, so this is simply 24, right? So the value of this integral is equal to 24. So viewers, this is how, by making use of the concept of Laplace transform, we can solve these type of integrals, right? And this is a very nice application of Laplace transform.